go do a little walk through my shed and show you what my reselling setup looks like. Here we are. Driving in there. Okay, this is it. So over here, down here we have Barbies. They have Hallmarks, and I got plushes and an old hamper. This pile of jeans and clothes here needs to be bagged and tagged so I can put it on the shelves. Had to move it out because we had company. Same with this ball of clothes, which is probably about 200-300 shirts. I have not listed those yet. They're taking a lot of room. I'm probably going to get out of clothes because they're a pain in the butt. These are some of the shirts I have listed, jackets and all that. Over here, this starts my pile of Levi's. These are all men's Levi's. Starting 501s going all the way through 569s. From this side, I got magazines and books on the bottom. Then my hats, and I got a lot of hats. I got hundreds of hats. And up top, we have the Christmas stuff, Department 56 stuff, which I used to get quite commonly, but I'm not getting as much anymore. I have my hats organized. I got Major League Ball, football, then I got golf, hockey, baseball, and then I have the local teams and college. Then I have the stuff like Hiraco and Nike, then state caps, then my brewing hats, my hard alcohol hats, fishing and hunting, then NASCAR and other motorsports. And then all just the other type of businesses around, local concrete companies, welding companies, all those things, and those sell pretty good. Then I got my police hats and state hats, and those don't sell. Aviation, banking, and Caterpillar and John Deere stuff. And then over here, the jet hat, that whole row, that's all old trucker hats. And down below is my miscellaneous hats and junk hats. So I got those. Over on this side, this whole pile here is stuff that is either unsellable or stuff we have from our personal house, and that goes to the flea market, and hopefully we get rid of that. And what doesn't sell there, I'll probably start listing on Facebook and just get rid of it. You come back here, you got military style ammo cans and tools, license plates, other tools, carburetors, record players, shoes, and other miscellaneous stuff. And up here is a box of stuff that boxed probably 2 years ago, hasn't sold, so I need to go through that. VHS tapes and miscellaneous electronics and antiques. And down here we've got Playboy magazines. We've got the 1950s or 60s, whenever they started, all the way through I think about 2012. I bought an entire collection. And I've sold probably about 50 of them, and I have more than tripled my money. So those, they sell one every couple weeks. I mean, they just kind of sit there, take up space. They're not really costing me anything to keep there. And then I have some bagged shirts, which I don't do that anymore. I prefer to hang them. And these are all women's jeans here. You got your Levi's, cut by the cloth, and True Religion, Lucky Brand. Up top, I have my actual empty boxes just for storage. And over here is the backside of the men's jeans. I mean, we've got the South Poles and the True Religions, Comans, Sean Johns, and all the different sizes, the Aku's, the Coogies, all that type of stuff. And then this is the back of the hats. I have different types of hats, bucket hats, and some of the open top hats. But this is my storage unit. This is about $196 a month, and I really wish I didn't have it. It's a big expense. I mean, I've got to sell $200 worth of stuff just before I even can start even thinking about turning a profit on eBay, and that doesn't include the eBay store and then all the fees and then the cost of what I paid for this stuff. Really wish I didn't have it, but unfortunately, to keep clothes, I gotta have it in climate controlled environment, which is why I'd like to get rid of all the clothing and go for mostly tools, because those seem to sell really well. But anyways, there it is. That's my review, and talk to you later.